Hey lovies, it's your girl Nisha coming out with a new video, and if you read the title, you already know. You already know we're doing a Coach unboxing. So I don't want this video to be long-winded or anything like that. So I'm gonna go ahead and just jump right on into it. It's right here. I haven't opened it or anything, but we're just gonna just get into it because I don't know if y'all can tell by the way I'm looking, but your girl's sleeping. She is really sleepy, okay? So I was on the Coach outlet website one night because I couldn't sleep, okay? And I do the same thing I normally do. I go on the website and I immediately go to the search bar and put in purple because if y'all don't know, that's my favorite color, so I like purple things, okay? And that is what I always do. And I did that and this bag popped up. And I was like, yes, thank you. Yes, thank you. I need that in my life. So here it is, and we're going to go ahead and unbag her, if you will. So I ended up getting the Mollie 25 in the color dark magenta. Now, what I'm hoping is when I open up this bag is it's more purple than pink. I mean, I'll deal with it if it is a little bit more pink, but I prefer purple. Like, it's just what I like, okay? But I got this bag mainly because I don't have purple bags. I have purple wristlets and like little card cases or whatever in purple, but I do not have a purple bag. So I was like, yes. So enough talking. Here it goes. It's pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me get y'all in. She pretty. And what's wild is, you guys, I put this in the search bar before I checked out, and I did not see this bag on the YouTube. Like, people don't jive with this color. Like, is this not their color? First thing first, I'm glad that this bag is packaged well, because if you didn't watch my last Coach unboxing, that bag was very much used, and I sent baby right on back. But what I paid for it, no man, no, absolutely no. But we are here with the Mollie 25. Is it the Mollie Tote 25? I think it's the Mollie Tote 25. But y'all, it's so cute. Like, girl, hold on. Let me finish taking this off. I'll be right back. Okay, y'all. Like, look at her. She is so pretty. Like, the color. let me just let y'all, you know. Honey. Yes. 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 Okay. I'm doing the absolute most. The inside is very pretty. This, like, the outside part of it is red, but the zip pocket in the middle is the brown signature canvas. Don't know if you guys are gonna be able to see that, but look at that. Pretty on the inside, very, very pretty. I did not do the zip pocket, so it still has like the paper in there. But y'all, this bag is so cute. Honey, perfect size for me. I'm not one of those girls who like those big city totes. Like, Coach be sending me them little emails about the city tote. I'll be like, girl, I don't want her. She's not for me. But this one, this is really cute. And it got me looking at the, what is it? Is it the Dempsey carry-all? That one is really cute too. So I'm eyeing that one as an alternate tote, but this one was just in a color that I do not have in my possession, in my collection, so I had to get it. It's so stinking cute. And let me tell y'all, the best thing about this bag, the best thing about this one right here, is I only paid $98 for it. Like, I was literally up scrolling on the Coach website late at night because I could not sleep, and this bag, I think it was $113, and then it had like the percentage off once you got it in the cart and checked out. So when I checked out, she was $98 and some change. So I was like, still It's still, what? Beautiful color. And the gold hardware, honey, I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. Excuse me? Okay. The only thing I'm mad about is not getting the corner zip wallet and the, what was it? The skinny ID, the skinny card case or whatever it was, when it had it on the side as well. Like, she does come with a strap. I just did not unwrap it. But y'all, I love her. She is just, this was a good buy. This was most definitely a good buy. And this is just like the, it does not, that middle compartment does not go all the way to the bottom. So you're gonna have your things go from one side to the other unless you have some form of a divider in either side. But you guys, it's so cute and I love it. So I am thrilled to put her to good use, and I will do an update on her because, excuse me, why not? Okay, yeah. So thank you guys for watching. If you have not purchased the Mollie Tote 25 or Mollie 25 Tote, whatever, however it is, okay? The Mollie 25, if you have not purchased her in this color, I feel like you should, because it is very, very, very cute. Hello, Coach people. We need more bags in this color. We need more stuff in this color. Yes, excuse me. I know, I know, you ain't, I know. But listen, what? Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye, lovies.